Recording in progress. answers you want from me? Or is it absolution?
This ain't rapping, this is street hop.
Damn, mic's been off. How long's that been off? Oh, the whole time. Damn. Sorry guys, come on Zoom as well. Looks like we might get our gold entry. Yep, gold entry incoming. Breaker this high. Boom, we're in. Here we go. Alright, let's put this entry in. Make it about 25 pips just to give it a bit of room. Damn, mic's been off. How long's that been off? Alright, gold and ready for you to pop. Let's go. Risking 25 pips. It's the entry. Looking for not stop level. TP at 2700. Yeah, because I think if we break all-time highs, we're gonna pop. And we're super close. Had resistance formed here, a closure above, weak bearish candle, and now we've broken the highs of both. We're about to break yesterday's daily high. Yep, now we're gone. Come on, gold. I've seen it play around at highs before, but not this close. And all-time highs are at, where were they? $8,557. 8,557 all-time highs. Boom, new all-time high. Let's go. Let's go. Well, they said they're looking for a little pullback in the chat. I'm not. Looks like pound yen is pushing too. Pound yen, just need it to get above this resistance to keep going. Gold is doing what she wants to do. Hell no. Gold pulling back some. Oh, gold doesn't want to push. These gold pullbacks are wild. Made a new all-time high and then dropped 20 pips. Gold will never fail to surprise me. New 15-minute candle. Still like closing and making new highs on 15. But if we break this 15 low, yeah, then I think I'll get out, shorten that stop. Gold's not ready to rock it. Not yet. Yeah, we're out this one. Gold gave us that push, got to 10 pips, 12 pips. guess we're gonna have to wait. No top wick on this 15 though. Keep an eye on pound yen. Looks a bit cleaner. So daily's bullish. We're just approaching this resistance. We can close above or even close near it and then break these highs. Then I'll be in for some buyers. Gold. I don't know, man. Look at that rejection from the highs. It's 30 pips. It could be making a longer bottom wick. Could be making a longer bottom wick. If it reflips bullish and breaks the high, I might get in again and use this previous candle low as a stop loss. Yeah, I'm going to give this trade a second chance. First stop loss was a bit tight because we used the entry candle low. But if we respect this previous 30-minute low, then we should be good to go. So I'm going to put my buy stop back in. If this candle closes back in a range though, like back below this resistance, then I'm going to take the buy stop off. We should get some volume at 8 o'clock though. Gold is kind of acting like it did yesterday. Push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. Just up, down all yesterday. Let's see how this candle closes. If we close weak bearish, we could get something like this. Pound yen pulling back, respecting that resistance. Or retesting the daily flip. So this daily flip, why I put the daily, why I mark out where the daily opened. I mark out where the daily opened so I can see like when it's bullish or bearish, or when it flips bullish or bearish, when I'm on any time frame. It just makes it easier to see. So look, I'm 1 hour, 4 hour. I know the daily's bullish. 1 hour and daily's bullish. 30-minute and daily's bullish. Once it flips, or we're below this line, I know the daily candle is now bearish. And that's why I put it there. I don't have to remember the numbers, remember the price where it opened. None of that. Just if we're above or below this line. And gold is pulling back. It's like everything's pulling back a bit. Right, so yeah, if gold closes back in this range, I'm taking off that buy stop. Five minutes till the 8 o'clock candle opens. What are we gonna do in 5 minutes? Ooh, everything's pulling back. Everything. Daily's now bearish on pound yen. Let's see how gold closes in the next 3 minutes. If it breaks this low as well, this previous low, I'm also gonna remove that buy stop. Because then it is like a fake out. Closed above the resistance, kind of respected it. And now we're closing back below. Yeah. I think buys up from this support. If gold can pull back down to this support or create a support higher up in between where it closes and this support here, then we'll have a higher low and then potentially see some buys back up. But if we pull down to this support, break it, then I think we'll push down, flip bearish, and drive down to at least 2668. What's the daily looking like? I mean, the daily's pushed up. We kind of got a bit of a gap here, so we might need to fill this gap a bit. Yeah, look, we're really pushing down in this range. Yeah, we're breaking our previous lows, so take that buy stop off. That was a fake out. And then look, we've even broke the structure on the 15 minute. We still haven't made a top wick for this 15 either. So we could potentially push back up before we push back down. So gold closed back in the range. Pound yen, kind of like a continuation pattern. We can break this high now. Should push up. New 1 hour candle. Did need a bit of structure on gold. In fact, we've got a new resistance now, so we'll put that there. I'm waiting for a new support to form. Yeah, nothing just yet on gold. Nothing there. We'll see how the 15 closes. If we get a little support formed on the 15. Pound yen. The pound yen structure is quite bearish at the moment. Since it dropped yesterday, this is like 140 pips. Pushed down, pulled back. We've made lower highs. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, you know? So yeah, if we could push back down to this support, but if we get a closure above here and keep pushing up, it's kind of like a break of structure, because we'll be closing above the last lower high, and then this here would be a higher low. Yeah, let's see if gold breaks this low, then we could continue down some more. Back on the 15, it's kind of like a closure below here and then go down some more. Yeah, we could have a closure below on the 15. Okay, pound yen's just gonna bounce around the daily open. Alright, so we broke the low. I think we'll see gold push down some more now. That's a nice range. Nice range for gold. Yeah, it's continuing this pullback. I think I'm going to wait for structure on the 30-minute. It's a nice pullback from the highs. Goldie. Yeah, I'm just very cautious of the sells because the daily's bullish, 4 hours very bullish. I don't really want to trade against the trend, so even though gold is pulling back from resistance is already 30 pips away. Yeah, I just don't want to take no risks. I need a clean setup. I want a clean setup, so yeah. And look at the way gold's jerking. It does a lot of swinging, up and down, 30, 20 pip swings, could stop you out, come back. You really have to be scalping counter trend trades, you know? I wanted to see if the 15 was going to make a support. Pushing right up. Don't forget that 15-minute doesn't have a top wick. Pound yen pushing up. So everything pushes up at the same time. Yeah. Do you know what? Every time I start looking at the 15-minute time frame, on gold in particular, because it worked well on GJ for me yesterday, something always happens that reminds me not to use the 15-minute time frame. It's just not a good confirmation time frame for me. Like, it's good for scalping, but I'm kind of looking for more pips. If you want to take like 10, 15 pips, then yeah, 15-minute time frame, because that would have been, how much would that have been? Would that even have been 10 pips? If we took the break of this low, there, down, 8 pips. 8 pips. Nah. Plus, we're just so bullish right now. You know? So bullish. Just don't trust these swings. Yeah, let's not play with gold. Let's see what pound yen's doing, because gold is just, it's not giving me anything. New 15-minute candle. Got support formed on a 15. Sort of back up in this range that is created. Right, it's waiting for a closure above. This resistance at 194374 is really holding for pound yen. Like we keep getting to it and then pulling back. But if we get a closure right at this resistance, then the next candle, if it breaks the highs, then I'll be in buys. Then we've got this clean range up. So yeah, even if it closes close, I'm looking for buys when it breaks the highs. Let's invite H. Invite, copy invite link. Yo. Yo.
Yo, what's up?
They are.
Yeah, this is joking. Let's say, what's this?
What do you say? I can't even hear you.
Everyone's sleeping.
Oh.
Yes, man.
Is your headphones? You better get some headphones on. Yeah, gold's playing about, man.
What's it?
Pound yen is pushing
Trying to
though.
get zoom on, right? So, here's one thing.
Oh, pound yen is running without me, man.
So,
Yeah, I don't trust gold at all, boy.
yeah, what, we're not, that's what it's not a talk.
I can't hear you at all. I think GJ looks the cleanest though. On a nice closure above. In 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, once the candle closes. Once this candle closes, if the next candle breaks the high, then yeah, I'll be in. Yeah. Let's see how big. That's if it closes above. And I'll use the previous candle as a stop loss. 27 pips. Oh, swinging back up. How can't we gold?
That's you. Alright, what was up? Some cells and
Yeah.
all that. I literally got that like 85 and I was like, yeah, but I want it done. But you see it starting messing about and starting making all new time highs and that.
Yeah.
I held out still. I should have had faith that it was going to close my early century.
You're lucky they pop on you, boy.
That's what I thought. Like, literally, it went up like 20. And I was thinking flip tops and finished.
Shoot, I need a bottom wick first, man. Pound yen, come on. Oh, it's gone. Come on, pull back. Don't be like this. What's gold saying? Not a damn thing.
GJ.
Yeah, I need that bottom wick first. Just a little pullback, and then when it reflips, I'll get in. Fucking hell, if it reflips, Jesus.
Yeah, it's on the move. Yeah, entry would have been the goal for these topics of 30. Yeah, all the green. Passing neckline. Yeah. To be fair, that kind of forms a big rejection from the neckline.
Yep.
I think that closure about it. A big confirmation.
That last push only happened in like the last 5 minutes.
Okay.
See it there? Just the last 5 minutes just pushed above. Other than that, it was holding. It was holding.
So, all this doing on nothing.
Yeah, that's why I'm not really messing with it at these all-time highs unless I see something super clean. Like I would like support and then buy up from the support, because it's kind of like what it was doing yesterday. It was making a high in the structure, pulling back, then making a high, then pulling back. It looks like it's doing that again, making a high, pulling back.
That's why I was giving me a bit more confidence, because like, it's the same move. It keeps replaying the same move but different heights.
Yeah.
So that's why, yeah, I can get in and make some money. So I made some money on the way up and money on the way down.
Yeah.
Oh, if I'd have held that, if I'd have held that, I'd have been, what's that? 50 pips. It would have been chilling 50 pips in profit right now. Yeah, that little push, that rejection candle, I was shook. I was like, no. I was thinking, it's 7:30, but there's nothing here to push it to that. But then obviously it's bullish at all.
Yeah, exactly.
No, surely not. I need to be fair, I didn't do my routine. I'd keep making this habit.
Yeah. It's true, man. You gotta keep doing the same things every time.
This is my first three-figure pay since spring.
Flipping off.
Yeah. To be fair, middle of August.
Yeah. 495. Right, so GJ's made this bottom wick.
You sure it's not a rejection? Should we feel the
Well, I would like a longer bottom wick, and then if it flips bullish, to push up some more.
I mean, stop loss here.
20 pips. 20 pips, already measured it out. It looks longer, it looks long, but it's actually not. Oh, like 30 pips. Yeah, gold doesn't look big, but the gold stop losses are always like 40 pips these days. Like 42 pips. Yeah. That's why I expect bigger stop losses on gold now.
Yeah, to be fair, I thought that was crazy, but I was only like 30 pips or stop loss.
Yeah, it's not bad.
But the drawdown on that, because I had multiple positions open. Popped it, so I was like, right, something here. Alright, something here. Yeah, I had like 4 positions open, I was like, I suppose I think number one was a thing like, yeah, cool, but yeah, 30 pips, so
I wouldn't even mind if pound yen retested that broken resistance. That's a clean range up, little 30 pips.
Have you got your support for GJ?
A support? 194.
Yeah, 129.
Because it's the strongest support in the structure.
I've got mine at 4, 2, 3. I still haven't traded it all.
Oh, okay. Yeah, pound yen has been moving. Like I caught 40 pips yesterday morning after this news. Right down to TP. It hit it perfectly. Got out. And then it retraced like 100 pips. Now that would have been a nice buy back up. It's taking its time, but yeah, I didn't want to hit buy right after I hit sell. Is that all of the bottom wick we're gonna get with pound yen? How big would this be? Let's see. 30 pips. Closure above, stop loss below the broken resistance, clean range up. Yeah. It's going to put my stop loss by this resistance. Then it's only 10 pips. And if it pushes back into that resistance, then I think the trade is invalid anyway. But I want to see how this works with a smaller stop. I don't mind losing 10 pips. Because it doesn't really look like it wants to push down much. Gold just looks boring.
Again, when I always look at that, it looks like it's going to fall, and then I look and it's still around the 260 mark. So I'm like, how are we going?
Like, I think what I would like is if it comes down to this support 2676, and I would like to take buys from there. What if it breaks then yeah, I'm looking for it to sell all the way down to 2668. Like clear all this, daily flip bearish, and push. If it don't want to make new highs, but ideally any 30-minute support that it creates, yeah.
To be fair, even the whole EMA thing as well. My support's literally right on that line. 2677.
Okay.
Because even when I was in the group, when I sent you the group, that sounds like clean down to 2678. Should look like them, but yeah. I was expecting like those three volume right?
Yeah.
Literally, they had that little push at like 7:30. No, I was just doing notes and slowly stuff. So it just needs this bit.
There's not much going on at all. Make sure there's no pound news today. I'm sure there wasn't. Nah, just US retail sales and unemployment.
And then we'll take actual grade and forecast. It's good for currency.
What, for retail sales?
Yeah.
Yeah. Means that the economy's doing good.
But they said, what was it? The other day they said like people are still spending.
Yeah, they should be.
Lost the previous week for a while. Classic, so we're too sure of that. Well, we're not being expecting higher. Actually, see this.
Gold pushing. On the 1 hour, structurally, it looks like it's going to push it good. Yeah, it does.
I love, yeah, it is.
And when gold goes up, pound yen comes down.
Three hands, that could have been the pullback. So 2679. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
There's a new 15-minute just opened as well. So 15-minute engulfed. Still don't have a top wick as well on the 7:45 candle.
Yeah, true. I mean, that's probably just a clear rejection from that level. So that's 2, 6, 3, 4. See, that's a rejection there. But then it's still a higher low if it goes.
Yeah, either way, I've got to wait for the candle to close.
13 minutes.
Yeah.
To be fair, if it falls back to this, technically now is when I should be getting in.
For what?
For the 11th, 15 minutes, it's about 15 minutes.
What, for sells?
Not for buy.
Oh, you're getting here.
Yeah, because it's about the top of the bullet closure, about the 20 minutes.
Oh my god, you're still on these EMAs.
It's still there. I'm just obviously trying to look at if I'm going to take up. I'm not actively action.
Have you been using the EMAs?
No, I didn't use it yesterday. What did I use yesterday?
Have you ever used them?
Only for currency trades.
No, but have you actually taken a trade using them?
I've never got to a time where it's directly over it.
So why are you still looking at them? I don't get it. Why are you still saying this is what I should do with the EMAs? If you've never used them, why have you still got them on? This is going to add to your confusion. Just pick one strategy and stick with it, because it seems like you caught sales today, you caught a move yesterday, you didn't use them EMAs. Why? What's the point? Take them off, clean up your chart, you get me? If they're not working for you, you're not sure about them, drop them. You can see when price is trending. The structure is going up. You seem to do well without them.
Sure.
You seem to do very well without them. If you've not used them this whole time, then why? You get me?
I'm not taking a trade.
Take them off, blood. You don't like them. You don't actually want to use them.
It's a lot of waiting.
It's a lot of waiting, and that's not the style. That's not your style. Like, you need to figure out what's working for you and just build on that. Use what you're good at. If someone's throwing something else at you and you're like, you're not sure or you're not confident in it, then it's just gonna just take your time for no reason. It's like a confusion. It's just adding in something confusing into the mix.
True. They messaged me yesterday. One of the guys said, again, I'm not gonna lie. I told him, I said, look, he goes, hey, why you have a training going? Did you get any help? What was the question? I said, if I'm honest, I think I struggle with this strategy. I understand the concept of how to execute, how that doesn't really work out, how I'd like to trade. So I did mention to the guy that I'd like to trade, day trade. I'd like to trade gold, but I feel like the strategy is more like a swing trade, which is really suitable to my trade style. Is there anyone that could help teach me a day trader strategy and take me to gold? He said our everyday strategy is swing trading, our intraday strategy is day trading, and this can be useful one which you can use this intraday strategy on gold using any time frame. The only thing I say is, all my years of trading, I've only ever seen 2 people successfully trade only gold. It's so volatile, it's very difficult to market to be profitable long term. So if you're solely trading gold, I said, I understand that. trying to trade other currencies, but the setup seemed to be far and few between, as I rarely capture cycles in phase 2, straight up to 28 in Mayline, which is a waiting game. I'd be interested in learning more the short-term scalping strategies where I'd be holding some trades possibly up to 2 hours back if possible. And he hasn't replied, so I feel like they're holding up. They've got strategies that would like suit what I'm trying to ask for, but I feel like they'll definitely.
They want you to pay for it, innit?
Because you did say that if you wanted to more advanced traders and they trade gold and like so we could teach me the basics. I'm trying to, if I've got like a preference, I want to trade with how I want to trade, you should be able to know like the trade in a bit of time. Maximum holding, something not really a swing trade. That means he needs to scalping technique or whatever it is and teach me that.
Yeah, but they're not teaching you for free. It's very rare that you're gonna find someone like a stranger that's just gonna teach you exactly what you want for free. You have to think about it like it's university. You get me? You've got to take a course. Someone's spent all their time or probably pay money themselves to learn how to do something, and then you want them to teach you too. No one ain't gonna do that for free. That's the fucked up, not fucked up thing, but that's kind of how it is in this game. You gotta pay to learn. Ashley's taken a course. I think everyone in our Discord has paid for learning at some point. I know Mix. I put him onto Capital Hungry, so he was paying like $125 a month for a while. Ashley's taken Q Bank's course. I think Dre has as well. Like Dre and Millie, they have their own courses as well. They actually have courses and their own groups. Yvonne as well, the US 30 trade. Yeah, so like people pay, or people will make you pay to teach them what you know. So if you're saying this is the style that I want and they're not offering that to you for free, you ain't gonna get it. They're gonna give you the free one because it's slower and it's probably easier to teach. Just do this, do this, do that. Scalping, you have to be at the charts for longer to wait for the exact moves.
Yeah. That's what I found. Like, see, yesterday, it was like it took me 2 to 3 cycles before I caught that third wave.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, because I can see this has happened before. It's ever the same way.
Yep.
So, let me go for it.
Look at Dre with his fibs. They take ages to come back to them levels because he's waiting for deep pullbacks.
Yeah.
They're fewer and far between for the big pushes, but the scalps, yeah, you gotta be locked in.
I'm literally like, fundamentally, like, I can see a move and like, I don't know, it's a weird feeling, like I feel like I have to be watching the candles for a good half an hour.
Yeah.
To kind of behave.
Yeah, you do. That's the
like,
thing.
I can see it gets a bit wicky in this area, or you're struggling to break this area. You know, like even yesterday, they were saying, I'm struggling at what the price was. And like, it don't seem to be struggling here.
It was at like 2680, I think, yesterday.
Yeah.
It kept bouncing around, like it was hovering around this. Yeah, I believe it was
I wanted to get in, and I started sitting there watching it. I was like, no. It's gone up to this level like twice now, and they've both been bearish candles when they've closed. So it's like, yeah, I don't think it's going to come back up here for a time, and that's when I got into that. So, yeah, next time we've got some good confidence this week.
Oh shit, I forgot about this pound yen trade. Also tap that resistance. See if that's a break and retest or if it breaks. Oh, that's it. You can get loud now.
I'm going outside.
Oh.
That's a serious thing.
The gold keeps tapping this resistance, man. 2683. That's it. You can speak properly now.
Yeah, I can talk properly now.
Boom.
Yeah, I don't really know. Like, see this support at the moment.
Yeah.
It's kind of like smack in the middle and it's been struggling both ways. Remember I said it's like quick hit the bottom, quick hit the top.
Yep.
And two different candles. So I'm not really trying to get involved.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you. So I mean, I'm waiting until it's clean. I have to, because it's horrible, and it keeps tapping this resistance. Yeah, it's not looking good.
It's not even worth like scalping. You're gonna try to scalp 20 bits every time it touches that resistance. It doesn't really make sense. So yeah, I don't know, man. I'm like, to be fair, I might just hold it, I think, because basically giving all the moves that's about to start this week.
Okay.
They just happy. They all learn today, innit?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I think Hoodie's having the season at like 7:30.
And then the party begins.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really on the service anymore. No, I'm not really on it. I told him, like, Hoodie's got a car, he's not in the car, so he's gonna meet me up there.
Okay.
I'm gonna say something, no. You see me all the team, it's time to go. You're really worried about that. This, I'll tell you, so it's not nice. And they got they got 2 parties a day. So one starts at 11 a.m, finishes at 6 p.m, and the next one starts at midnight, finish at 6 a.m.
Rotted.
Actually, no way at 6 a.m. No chance.
Yeah, them days are over for me, boy. Oh, look, pound yen saying so close to hitting stops. But just retested that resistance. I forgot about I forgot about this trade, you know. I forgot about this trade. Look how close that came. It's like it retested this resistance. Okay, that's fine. That's good. That's good. You do that. You do that. And you know what's crazy with pound yen, yeah? Like, if you see this move, yes, this was where support was yesterday, where it broke. And it's like price broke the support. Let me, if I pull it over, price broke the support. There's a break and retest. Break,
okay, yeah.
retest to come back down.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's actually a clean structure.
So clean, like compared to gold. This is why I was more on, I was like, you know, I'm not even messing with gold yesterday. I was kind of more looking at pound yen. Because it just looked cleaner. And I obviously caught like a decent move. I was loaded up on positions as well. So it was a decent day. So no, I'm not going to force nothing with gold. Especially with it looking the way it did. Yeah, it just wasn't nice. Look at this now. Yeah, I think pound yen should push. I hope it does. And here we go with gold doing nothing. Now, if the 830 candle didn't have this long top wick that respected resistance, I would be getting in. Like if I had a smaller top wick,
yeah, just about it.
Yes, I'll be getting in. I'll be here all day because I'd anticipate that, you know, this is what I was waiting for, support to form, but it's like buying into this resistance which keeps getting rejected.
Yeah, and it's not like the distance is big either.
Exactly.
It doesn't make sense.
Exactly that. Sure. Oh man. Let's see. Yeah, to me, GJ just looks cleaner anyway, man. It just looks cleaner. So if we can get more of a push, that'll be wonderful. Pound yen, hint, hint.
Yeah, just put it really up in the so look where I'm having to sit. So I'm not making no noise.
Let me see. No.
These views running up in a second again, isn't it? I have to buy some PJs because one of those parties, these circle things with a PJ party, people I'm ready to not allowed it.
I swear.
Quick Amazon take.
Wait, I don't. Where did you put it in your stories?
Yeah. I'm not loaded it.
Nah.
Hold on. It's nearly done. Right, it's because out here it's like on the brink of the Wi-Fi, so it's popping in and out of the Wi-Fi.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it just went up.
Oh shit, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I managed to split my screen on the iPad as well.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you know what my friend bought? Yeah, it's so sick. I'm actually thinking about getting one. It's a portable. Well, let me show you. It's a portable screen, but it's like 18 inches. You can get them smaller, but you can extend your screen.
Okay.
And it went on sale too. Where is it? Where should send it to me?
To be fair though, my when I'm on my laptop and my iPad's around,
Yeah.
it does an automatic screen extension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got enough monitors to be to be fair. You got more than enough monitors.
Yeah, it does. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, it's 18 inches.
Yeah, it's alright, so it's decent. Yeah, I normally just use my iPad and just I can scroll across both. But then the dongle that I've got, it makes it I can have 4 screens on my iPad, the 2 monitors and my laptop screen.
Oh yeah, that new thing, isn't it?
Yeah, so do you know I was this close to dashing out the window before I found out. But the first one I bought has a little USB port as well. So what I do is I use the 2 Lightning C or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
Lightning C ports on the side of my laptop. One is to use the USB port, and it's still got 2 HDMI, but obviously they don't extend this mirror. And then the new dongle I've got in there, straight to HDMIs, and I've got a mirror into it. So that I can have I've got keyboard, mouse, Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, 2 monitors.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, man, that sounds nice.
Sounds good.
Yeah, but I think that would be ideal when I'm trading on multiple trades on different currencies and whatever it is. Like when I'm watching GJ and Gold at the same time, I can have them on both monitors and then execute through the laptop. And then monitoring the trade on the iPad. So I've been doing different bits, I've been testing them out, see how they're done. Oh, you got a nice clean entry there, boy.
Yeah, the last candle, innit? That last candle was nice. That last candle was very nice.
I love it.
If it breaks this previous high now, it should keep pushing.
Right, so what we change now. Yeah, this anything, it's just not. I'll take it off. This is like. Yeah. Maybe
I remember price was playing around this 194.50 area yesterday as well. Loads. All around here.
Oh, you can see there's top wicks down to that level and there's bottom wicks.
Listen, when I say, because sometimes I don't watch the actual charts, I'm just watching the prices.
Yeah.
And when you just see the same prices over and over again, you know it's ranging.
Yeah. I mean, this was pretty clean up to, what's that? Up to 194.736.
Yes, yeah. That's what I'm hoping it pushes to. I want a nice push up. But once it breaks this previous 30-minute high, yeah, should keep pushing. Should keep pushing.
Might get involved still.
Only thing with pound yen to get, like, I don't really like just to hold out for 10 pips. I want more. It just takes a while. It's not as quick as gold.
Yeah.
Like even yesterday, for it to this 40 pip move that I caught yesterday, that was it took 45 minutes to move 40 pips, and gold does that in one candle.
Yeah. So what's the lot sizing for something like this?
It's the same lot sizes, but it depends on your pip value. So gold is, for 0.10, gold is 10 cents per pip. But for pound yen, it'll be like 7 cents per pip. So it's not a crazy difference. Let me.
I'm over risking anyway.
Let me see, 0.10. Oh, so 0.10 is 0.66 cents per pip. So if you wanted to do like, what lot sizes are you using?
I've got a 0.05 one, but I'm over risking on my gold trades anyway.
So yeah, if you did a 0.10 on pound yen, it would be kind of the same. It would just be a little bit more than that.
I've been using 0.15s.
15?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm over risking, but as soon as I get like past 20 pips, I'm just been closing the partials.
Okay.
And then I let the 1% risk just run it.
Yeah.
Of course. I saw a pitch yesterday, because that sick entry I got.
Yeah.
Obviously, I collected like 80 pips in the beginning, but then I moved my stop loss into profit.
Yeah.
I completely just forgot about it. And it hit my stop loss in profit, but then it carried on going. I was like, no!
Always the way.
Yeah, but it's alright. I still collected like 110 pips or something like that. So
Nice.
it was a good day yesterday. I think because we had a chill one as well, like we were just at home until the sun was out. I wasn't running around busy, so I could just watch the trade the whole day.
Yeah. You lot was chilling.
Mm.
Come on, pound yen. It's broken a previous high now. Let's go.
I think I might get in. I also get in above that top weight. You know me already. I like to clean go past that.
Yeah.
Right. I can get in here. It's giving a clean range to the left, but
Yeah, that's normally my entries. Break of the high. That's why I took this entry below here, because it broke the high of this previous candle. Decent stop loss below the bottom wick. Yeah. So if it breaks this high again, yeah, it's higher probability that it will continue up. Because the candles are trending up. Higher highs and higher lows.
Yeah, that's the wrong one. Shit.
And gold is missing.
I'll press the wrong one. Oh, what is? I'll press sub, that's it. That's not.
And gold's pushing. See, with pound yen as well and gold, they kind of go opposite.
Okay.
Yeah, so when gold's going up, pound yen's usually going down. But that's for news anyway. For news, they're correlated.
Okay. So.
If we're gonna play this high up with gold, I feel like retail sales today might really break it out. That's how it's acting. Let me see what happened the last retail sales news. So retail sales, the last time was September 17th, better than forecast. Let's see, September 17th. 17th. Oh, it was bullish. Oh no, that's pound yen. What am I looking at? Pound yen. Trash. September 17th. Oh, look at that. It dropped and then retraced.
What was that for?
Retail sales.
Yeah. Retail sales.
Yeah, so it dropped 80 pips and then pushed up 20. So it was like 100 pips overall. And that was on good news. So if the numbers come out good for USD, well, good numbers on retail sales, gold will drop. But it looks like it's only a temporary drop. Like it's just a reaction. It will react to the news how it's supposed to, and then yeah, it looks like it. Let me see if there was any other news on the same day, because we got unemployment the same day as well. So yeah, that was the only news on that day. Oh yes, pound yen, come on.
Yep, free pound yen. Let's get it. I don't know what gold is. It's like when it just started on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's got two massive rejection candles at
Oh, gold.
268, yeah, 2681. So it could push still. Could receive new highs.
The thing is, normally I would look for like a closure above. So I actually took an entry this morning and lost 20 pips because we had this closure above, and then this candle closed weak bullish, weak bearish, and then we pushed. I actually got in. It pushed up like 12 pips and then it just dropped. But I moved my stop loss up So luckily, I got to manage the trade. My stop loss was a bit bigger. Yeah, but pound yen is bringing it back.
I just hate when you see it moving as like a small, well, like a medium, smallish bottom wick, and you just see it moving.
Yes.
And you just don't know how far or how long this is going to be running for. That's why I was shook. Yo, let me show you my trade history. What was I doing? I got in at sell originally at 2681.
Oh.
And it went on to go like 40 pips up before it came down. And then I got in at 2682 again. I layered. Then I got in again at 2683 and at 2684. And they're all at like, there was like what, 0.15s.
Okay, shoot.
so I was in drawdown for 138 pounds. I was thinking, nah, this is nuts. If this pops now, I'm finished.
Yeah, facts.
And I saw it, I was waiting, I could see it flickering. And I only added the other two entries, and I saw it flickering around the 2682, 2683 mark.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, it's probably going to just, it does that slow drop.
Yeah.
And then shoots back up again. Yeah, but I was like, this needs to hurry up and stop messing about. Because of the time I'm on it as well, it was like 8:30, 8 o'clock. I was like, yeah, we haven't even started properly yet, so this is probably going to come back out.
Bro, dry that little ass time.
Juicy.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my bad.
It's been a minute.
I thought we.
What's good though?
Good. Go